Welcome back to Salewise tutorials. So in this episode we're going to walk you through on how to create a buyback purchase or like pawn purchase from a customer. For that let's search our customer. Let's say James came to our store to pawn his or to buy back his iPhone. So we're gonna search for James. Since James is already our customer, we can go ahead and click on his profile. If not, you can always create a new profile for James. So to create a buyback or to create a pawn purchase, you click on buyback. So since there's no buyback purchases for John, we can go ahead and create. If he already has some buybacks, it will be listed here. So since he doesn't have any, so let's go and create. You can always go and create on click create buyback. It's gonna create like a buyback or pawn purchase. So we're gonna click on it. So since John is gonna pawn his iPhone, we're gonna search for iPhone. So and click on the iPhone to pawn his iPhone. So to let's say it's in a very good condition, we're gonna select the condition as very good, and we need to put the buyback purchase cost. Let's say we're gonna give him 699. So you can already see from our store settings we have given these values: buyback percentage 15% as commission. So it's gonna add the 15% for the sale back. So when John comes back to collect the amount, we have to charge this much amount. So that's all depending on the store settings we given. So if you ever want to change it, you can always go to settings, click on store, and you can configure this. Okay, so let's go back, and since he already has one item, we're gonna say 1. Since there's no VAT for it, we're gonna put it 0, and let's say the IMEI number is this. We're just gonna give like a random one for the purpose of this tutorial. So you always have to enter the correct one, so you can always check his phone or something. So we're gonna give his serial number, and quantity is 1, buyback amount, purchase amount is 699, that's pawn purchase, and sale back will be this much. And we can already see the margin for it and cross check everything. If everything looks good, just click on add to cart. Product price needs to be greater than 0. Price. Okay, so we're gonna give, let's say John is not coming back and he cancel it, we have to sell it, so we have to put a selling price. So we're gonna put like 85. So let's say sometimes John may not pick it up, sometimes you cancel it and you put it for auction or sales, so that's the selling price you have to give it. So once that's done, you can click on add to cart. So the item is added to cart. You can check out to complete the transaction. Click on checkout. We're gonna give 699 to John in cash. Click on add payment. So that's all done. You can click on pay to complete the transaction. So let's see. Okay, we don't have enough cash, so we're gonna move some cash to the till. To move the cash, we can click on move cash, and we can say we're gonna have like 10 notes of 50 pounds, and we're gonna click on cash in. We're gonna give the pin for settling John. So right now you can see the cash is added to the, okay, we still have 10 pounds left, so we're gonna add like 10 more. Let's see, we're gonna add 5,000 just for the purpose of this video, so we can continue it. Not to add more cash. Okay. So we can see we have 5,692 pounds remaining in our balance. So we can go ahead and click on pay. So you can print the invoice and give it to John, and print the label and put it on the device and put it in your shelf. So that's how once that's done, you can click on close to complete the transaction. So that's how you create a buyback or create a pawn purchase.